Okay, thank you guys. Thank you so much for helping me out. So in case anybody just joins in, you please just add them to the chat. Now, the first thing I want to share with you all is the events done. And this is the announcement. The pre-hackathon test is scheduled on 23rd October. So if you go into this link, which is nothing but the same as what we have over here, the test is between 12:15 to 1 p.m. and reporting time is 12 noon. So this is how it's going to be. We will be scanning your ID cards, and this will help us to understand who is coming in when. Okay, so in all of these things, time is very important. There are two reasons why we are doing this, because when you guys are going to sit for interviews, you will find that the time for registering is very short. Our CDC will send you, let's say, even sometimes 2 hours before the deadline to register for a interview. And there is also a chance that you may not have enough time to know you may check your mail late. In fact, that was something that happened to one of my students today. He couldn't check his mail because he was in an internship, and in a company, when you're in an intern in a company, they won't like you to keep checking your personal mail. So he was saying what to do. Now, you may say, or you may feel it is unfair, but unfortunately, that is the requirement of the industry, and we also want to keep you a little on your feet. Okay. Now, one of the sad things we also, as I was starting in the meeting, it was like people are not following the instructions. So there can be a fault from our side. Okay. If suppose you are feeling that our communication is not good enough, please let us know where we are going wrong. After the whole thing is done, you coming to us and telling something is right, something is wrong, will not help anybody. We are also trying to limit the number of communications which we do, so that you don't have to feel confused. The number of communications you get from us will be very few. Now, if you look at this is the course material which will be mainly used for the hackathon, for the pre-hackathon event. So you got actually totally 7 items which we have got over here. 7 items are there, but we will not be going through all the 7. We only want you to go through these 3 topics. The test is going to be limited to these 3 topics. But please don't think if you go into list or collection, this is just the outline. We want you to go in a little deep. 3 of you in the team should try to divide the work among yourself. Okay. Now you will find that there are some more resources on the website, which is actually the resource which I give my students, and these will also be helpful, we know. But in addition to this, you can go through any resources: Geek for Geeks, Stack Overflow, Python.org. All of these are very good resources. And if you have any doubts, please use the forum. This is the forum in Moodle, and this is kept specifically to the for your this one, for your team members.